Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. A public interest litigation has been filed in the Uttarakhand High Court challenging the recently implemented Uniform Civil Code Uttarakhand 2024, in particular provisions covering marriage and divorce and live-in relationships, claiming that it violates the fundamental rights of citizens. Stop. Notably, on January 27, the Uttarakhand government rolled out the Uniform Civil Code, almost a year after the Uttarakhand Assembly passed the Uttarakhand Uniform Civil Code Bill, 2024. Stop. It has become the first state in the country to implement UCC. Stop. The plea filed by a practicing advocate challenges certain parts of the code, in particular sections provided under Part 1, that is marriage and divorce, and Part 3, that is live-in relationships of the code, along with corresponding Uniform Civil Code rules Uttarakhand, 2025. Stop. The plea states that while UCC Uttarakhand, 2024 has curbed various concerns regarding personal civil matters being discriminatory against women, however, there are various provisions and rules which encroach upon the fundamental rights of citizens in the state and violate their right to privacy, right to life, and in a larger sense take away the right to autonomy of the individuals in making decisions on marriage and choosing their partners. Stop. It says that the provisions are discriminatory towards the Muslim community in as much as it ignores some of their customary practices with respect to marriage and divorce and transposes on them the provisions of the Hindu Marriage Act. Stop. For instance, it is claimed that Section 3 of the Hindu Marriage Act, which defines relationships that are prohibited for marriage, have been made applicable to the Muslim and Parsi communities, overlooking the fact that marriage between a man and his father's sister's daughter, a man and his father's brother's daughter, a man and his mother's brother's daughter, and a man and his mother's sister's daughter, is not prohibited under the Holy Quran and the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act, 1936. Stop. This, the plea claims, is in gross disregard of the prevailing customs, rights, and practices of these communities, which are protected under Article 25 of the Constitution of India. Stop. Dictation and